whenever the university calls me, I always find it a privilege to be called back home.
I thought that joining this advisory committee is a really good avenue for me to give back to the university.
I work mostly tax compliance, and in addition to my role here, I get to go to the university from time to time as part of the industry experts forum, or what they call index. They present to us curriculum, programs, supplementary events, or lectures.
Their product is our input to our organization, and for us to be able to get the best quality of professionals, it's really important for us to be involved in coming up with the design of the curriculum such that it will be relevant to what we do in actual practice.
In terms of time, I always have been a firm believer that to things that are important, we need to make time. If I'm going to measure it, probably 5 days in a year or so.
Talking about the industry expert forum or meetings, catch-ups, it's just a few hours actually, less than 8 hours.
I really have a full schedule, but I've been a recipient of the good education and the good learnings from the university, and I find it a big responsibility to go back and make sure that the university continue to produce top-notch graduate. Of course, continuing the pride of producing, of course, good candidates for employment that can contribute not only for the respective fields but also to do this.